carlaskitchencc. Best cooking around here. Look what I have here, guys. Some Jamaican June plum. It is so beautiful here in Jamaica, and these plums, they are so sweet. So today I'm going to be showing you how to make stewed June plum. Yes, I already went ahead and I take the peel off the plum. So here's the plum, and this is what it looks like without the skin on it. And I already peeled the ginger, so I'm going to be adding some ginger as well. So let's get straight into this video. Wow, it is so beautiful outside here, guys, and this is my coal stove and I will be cooking outside. Yes, look at this. Wow, it is very breezy out here, guys. The sunshine is nice. So here I'm opening the pot and I add some water here, about 3 cups of water boiling. So I'm going to go ahead and add my cinnamon leaf. Now this is the ginger. You can grate the ginger or you can beat the ginger like this. Here I'm adding it to the pot. This is the grated ginger, so I'm adding it as well. Now I'm going to give it a little stir, just like that. Here I'm adding sugar, and I'm using brown sugar, and I'm going to be adding around 7 to 8 tablespoons of sugar. You can add more sugar if you want it very sweet, which I don't, because the plums are already sweet. They're so sweet, super sweet. So I think 7 to 8 tablespoons of sugar is good enough for me. Okay. Now I will be adding the plums to the pot. Give it a good stir, making sure that everything is blending properly. Then cover the pot and allow the plums to cook until they're nice and soft. Let's go and check the pot, guys. Let's see how the plums are looking and to find out if it is cooked. So here I'm removing the pot cover from the pot. Wow, look at this. Oh my gosh, the aroma is lovely. It smells so good. It tastes very delicious, guys. Look at this. Wow, the syrup is nice and thick. So this is our Jamaican stewed June plum. It is halfway cooked, so I'm gonna allow it to cook some more, guys. Look at this. Please do remember to subscribe to the channel if you're new here, and touch my post notification bell so you will be alerted on my next upload. Thank you so much for your support, and to my returning subscribers, thank you guys so much for coming back. Please remember to like the video, comment under this video, and don't forget to share it out amongst your friends and family. Thank you so much. Look at this. This is so nice, and this is one of Jamaican sweet treat. Yes, this is one of our fast food as well as a child growing up. Yes, guys, not any McDonald's or Burger King. Fruits. Thank you once again. Take care of yourselves. Be kind to yourself so you know how to show kindness to others. And I'll catch you in another one. Bye. Jamaica is so nice. If you didn't visit here, you should. Bye. See you. Bye, guys.